Good morning everyone. Today we will learn about the continue the problems. Now next problem, Anil and Sunil are partners sharing profit and losses. Sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. In the ratio of 3:2. On 31st March 2013, on 31st March 2013, their capital accounts shows a credit balance of rupees 12,000 and rupees 8,000. 12,000 and rupees 8,000 respectively. Full stop. And next, on 31st March 2014, their business position was as follows. Now position, first assets. Now assets, machinery rupees 15,000. Next, stock rupees amount 4,000. And next, bills receivable rupees 5,000. And next, sundry debtors rupees 7,000. Next, liabilities. Now sundry creditors rupees 8,000. Next, bills payable rupees 3,000. You are required to prepare profit and loss statement, profit or loss statement at the date. After taking into the following adjustments. First one, drawings during the year rupees 3,000 and rupees 2,000. Next, interest on capital is to be allowed at 6% per annum. Okay, this is the problem. Now, given the information to the problem, Anil and Sunil are partners sharing profit and losses. 3:2. Now 3:2 share 3:2, 3/5, 2/5. 3/5, 2/5. Next, on 31st March 2013, beginning or opening. Now 31st 2014 ending. Clear? Now beginning capital of rupees Anil and Sunil 12,000. Anil capital. Now 8,000 Sunil capital respectively. And next 31st March 2014 as position. Now total assets and total liabilities. And finally, after taking into the following drawings during the year. Now yearly drawing, Mr. Anil 3,000, Sunil 2,000. Next, interest on capital is to be allowed at 6%. 6%. Now interest on capital, ending capital, allow the 6%. Clear? Now let's start the solution. First, statement of affairs. Statement of affairs of Mr. of statement of affairs of Anil and Sunil as on 31st March 2014. Balance sheet format, left hand side liabilities, right hand side assets. Liabilities amount rupees, assets amount rupees. Now let's start the first assets. Machinery rupees 15,000. And next stock rupees 4,000. Next bills receivable amount 5,000. Okay, next sundry debtors amount 7,000. Okay, now liabilities. First one, sundry creditors rupees 8,000. Okay, next bills payable liabilities. Bills payable rupees 3,000. Now this is the total assets under total liabilities. Now balancing total assets 50, 20, 27, 31. Total assets 31,000. 31,000 minus liabilities 31,000 minus liabilities 11,000. Now remaining balance 20,000. 20,000 is the ending capital. Now combined ending capital. Combined capital. Balance given in bracket. Balancing figure or 20,000. Okay, next Statement of profit or loss of Anil and Sunil. Statement of profit or loss of Anil and Sunil as on 31st March 2014. Now format particulars amount rupees. Particulars amount rupees. Okay, now first ending capital. Now ending capital, find out combined ending capital 20,000. Combined capital as on 31st March 2014, rupees 20,000. Okay, next drawings during the year added. Now in this problem given the drawings during the year rupees 3,000 and rupees 2,000. Rupees 3,000 Mr. Anil and Sunil 2,000. Total 5,000 plus combined drawings during the year. Drawings during the year Anil, next Sunil. Anil 3,000, Sunil 2,000. Total 5,000. No, total 25,000. Now in this problem, no additional capital. Now this is the adjusted combined adjusted closing capital. Adjusted closing capital. And finally, beginning capital less combined capital as on 31st March 2013. 2013 opening, 2014 closing. Now beginning capital of rupees 12 plus 8, 20,000. Anil 12,000. Sunil 8,000. Now total 20,000. Now remaining balance 5,000. Now in this problem given one adjustment, interest on capital is to be allowed. Interest on capital minus. Now interest on drawing add. In this problem no interest on drawing. Only interest on capital is charged at 6% per annum. Per annum means per year. Minus interest on capital. Now ending capital 20,000 into 6%. 1,200. Clear? 6 0 0 0 0 1,200 minus remaining 3,800. 3,800 is a divisible profit for the partners. Divisible profit for the partners. Divisible profit for the partners. Clear? Now, share of profit Anil. Share of profit Anil is equal to total 3800 into ratio 3:2 is nothing but 3/5. 3800 into 3/5. Now 5 7 clear. Next 5 7 35. Now remaining 335 6 clear. Now 0 760 into 3 0 3 6 18 3 7 21 plus 2 22 2280. 3/5 is equal to 2280 rupees share of Anil. Next share of profit Sunil. Now total profit 3800. Next 2/5 same 760 into 2 20 26 12 27 14 plus 115 1520 1520. This is the divisible profit for the partners Mr. Anil and Mr. Sunil at the end of the accounting period. Clear? Now next okay, now next homework problem. X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 1:1 are equally. Clear? Their capital 1:1 on 1st January 2019. Their capital accounts 1st January 2019, their capital accounts show a credit balance of rupees 30,000 and rupees 20,000 respectively. Full stop. Now they have withdrawn from the amount of rupees 1,500 rupees 1,000 and rupees 500 for personal use. Here they have withdrawn the amount of rupees 1,000 and rupees 500 for personal use. And next introduced combined additional capital of rupees 2000 and 1500 respectively. Clear? Now on 31st December 2019, their capital account show a credit balance, show a credit balance of rupees 50,000. 50,000. Full stop. You are required to prepare. You are required to prepare divisible profit for the partners. Okay, this is the homework. Complete the answer, send it through my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number 955345097. Clear? Now this is the complete of single entry system. Now today last single entry system. Now next class started the chapter depreciation. Clear? Okay, that's it.